Namaste everyone, I am Ramyashri. Welcome to my channel Ramya Jyotish. I am here again to provide the weekly update for Indian stock markets. As I mentioned in my previous videos, this video is just for entertainment purpose. I don't guarantee any of my predictions, and if you are basing your speculations based on this video, it is purely your own decision and I am not responsible for any of the risk associated with it. So let's start with the weekly predictions for 1st of December to 5th of December. So if we cast the opening bell chart with 9:15 am and Mumbai, Maharashtra has the place, we'll get Sagittarius Lagna, that is Dhanur Lagna, and the Lagna Lord Jupiter will be Vakri and exalted in the 8th house. And Moon would be transiting in 3 Rashis this week during the trading hours, that is Meen Rashi. He will start his journey from Revati Nakshatra in Meen Rashi and will transit through Mesh Rashi, then to Vrishab Rashi and until Mrigashira Nakshatra of Vrishab Rashi. So during this time period, we may see Jupiter's transit or Jupiter's aspect on Moon would be there only on the first day and not for the next 4 days, and Moon's association with Saturn as well as Jupiter, so somewhere there are certain sectors which will perform really well, like anything associated with real estate or anything associated with shipping, logistics, oil and gas, crude, petroleum. All these fields will have some good push on the first day, but later when Moon is transiting in Mesh Rashi and Vrishab Rashi, that is for the rest 4 days, we may not see that level of impact, and we have a Purnima, Margashesha Purnima this week. So this can have pretty good impact on shipping, logistics or all the fields related to Moon. And also on the pharmaceutical sector, because Moon Venus would be pretty well in 6-12 axis from the Dhanur Lagna, and as and when the time passes throughout the day of trading, we will see new more times or new more sectors which will emerge really well. But to generally say, Moon seems to be in a pretty good position and it can trigger some good results, but market is almost preparing for corrections because Vakri Jupiter moving back to Mithun Rashi will have aspect on Rahu, who is sitting in 11th house, but he won't be able to cast that powerful aspect, and that may lead to some kind of corrections in the coming or in the subsequent weeks. So this week seems to be dull at some point of time, but would be really good at some point of time as well. So on the first day, initially the mood could be good, but later part of the day on 1st of December, because Moon will have to pass through Gandant, so we may not see the mood of the investors permitting the market to go up. But on the second day, definitely market may actually reach to a good heights because Moon would be transiting in Ashwini Nakshatra the last 3-4 and then to Bharani Nakshatra. So this can definitely give good results. So the transit of Moon in the last quarters of Ashwini Nakshatra and then in Bharani Nakshatra on Tuesday and Wednesday can give pretty good results. But again, the second half of Moon in Kritika Nakshatra can give some adverse results also. So then again Moon in Rohini, which is very good for Friday, but when as soon as it enters Mrigashira, then it will have some hiccups. So for the whole week, I would say it is mixed and neutral. So certain sectors like shipping, logistics, crude oil, petroleum, oil and gas, all these may perform really well because they are ruled by Moon, and that's pretty important. And Venus Moon 6-12 axis, initially it will get formed, and later as and when the time passes it will be in the 5-11. So after 10:30 or 11 in the morning, when Moon would be in Vrishab Rashi on the Friday, we may see good gains in pharmaceutical, in sugar sector, because Venus is in a good position even in terms of Navamsha, so that can give good results. So overall to say, this week is mixed and neutral. So that's it for this week, 1st of December to 5th of December on Indian stock markets, and this is how it looks like. I have provided the hourly basis or the session wise how the mood of the investors would be: dull, average, above average, good, excellent. So dull average is not so bad, it's kind of negative. Above average is like neutral, no, neither plus nor minus, and good, excellent, you know, it's in green, so it's definitely positive. In the next screen, in the next few seconds, you will get to know which are the high performing and low performing sectors. So that's it for the day, and thank you so much. And again, please make your decisions on your analysis and not on mine. Thank you.